Hello, is your authentication not working on Lollipop Live? This video is for you. Hello, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to resolve face authentication on Lollipop. So the first thing you have to do is to know the meaning of face authentication. Face authentication gives you benefits of going live on Lollipop Live. It also ensures the security of your account and property. Reasons why your face authentication can't work, which I'm going to resolve this moment. The first is you use the same face to authenticate two Lollipop Live accounts. Lollipop Live will not accept that. You have one account, one face. You cannot use your same face to authenticate two Lollipop Live accounts. It is not possible. The next is the face scan requires a lighted room and not a dark environment. So if you're trying to complete your face authentication on a dark environment, it will not work. And the third is you must obey the instructions, like open your mouth, keep your head in the image provided, make sure your head is contained in the image provided, and you obey little instructions like nod your head, open your mouth, and so on. So with this, I believe you'll be able to resolve your face authentication on Lollipop Live. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.